And this is really living.
We're committed to the art and nothing stop us. Not even a train, plane, tractor, all of us as we feel the rhythm inside the marrow of our bones. And we're fascinated by the music sounds and headphones.
Free box beats brings me a relevant speech. Like two girls were matching, going to a fashion pageant, asking for some passionate actions. Millennial, masculine, mad friend. Wait a minute, let me change my tangent. Flows tactical, inapplicable for PCs and apples.
Wow, look, this is there all over the
Look at these waves rolling in. Whoa. We're on the ocean. Pheasant?
Chucker.
Chucker. Love the chucker. That was some monkeys in the cave or something there at first. Ooh. This place is a trip. It's cool though. What do you got going on there, Laurie? All right. Oh, you're going for the ultimate popper. Donovan's about to get a hog. It's his turn. It's your turn to get on a giant.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I ain't gonna shit you.
It's been a while, right?
Yeah. It's been quite some years, Keeper.
It's time. It's time. Ooh, I like that popper.
Listen to that echo.
Is that the live target?
Yeah. Side hooked him too. Oh, poor little guy.
First bass of the trip. Look at that. That's a smallie, huh?
That's large.
Is it? See, I don't even know my species, man. Monster. Look at the colors on them, man. They're golden. Pretty bass.
Oh,
Crappie! Look at the size of that crappie.
let's go back over here.
Woo! Some crappie fishing. Nice little crappie.
Ooh, she's a fighter, Keeper.
You got her.
Ooh, you little son of a bitch.
Look at that. She's a fighting on 4-pound test.
Smalley.
That is a smallie.
Nice one.
That is awesome. Woo! Nice smallie. That's awesome.
Keeper. Might want to get your bass rig out. Look at that, baby.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Man, smallmouth are so pretty.
They
Feisty too.
They are feisty. I felt him dive down. I was like, ooh, this ain't a crappie. You know?
Yeah, he took a deep dive. All right.
Yeah, then took a big old detour. I'm like, ooh.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one. Woo! Look at the rod bend. Jumper, jumper. Boat flipping with 4-pound test. That's awesome. Yeah. That is sweet.
Red eyes.
Yeah.
So red.
Badass.
That's badass.
She's the devil.
Ouch, he bit me.
He bit you.
What you get?
Another big crappie. Let me see that crappie. Oh my God, you're the crappie queen.
You guys might want to get a curly tail on.
There
Oh,
you
it came off. Dang.
What's that right there?
It's carp.
Carpe diem.
Seize the day. What was that? Oh, did you cast?
Yeah.
What happened?
We cast at the same time.
There you go. I was going, man, what is that?
It's still over you, all over you.
What do I got?
Got one?
Look at the size of that crappie.
Whoa!
Woo!
Crappie dag.
That is a beautiful little crappie. It is, look at it.
Okay, well, let's get everything picked up. Let's go to the other side. I want to get back to the other side before shit gets real around here, Keeper.
It's gonna get real. Crappie bite is on. Yeah, what's your secret?
Curly tail?